It's Professor Moylan. In this video, we're going to look at using Audacity to record audios. So I'm going to click on my Audacity icon here to open up the program. Here it comes. And by the way, this fabulous program is available for free. So it's audacity.com. It's available completely free. I've been using it for 10 years. I don't know why they're so wonderful, but they are. And so they have this incredible audio program. It's not just a recorder, but an editing program, but we don't have to worry about that. We're just using it as a real basic recorder. So here's what I want to do. I want to create my audio. Now, I like to do audios of key terms, and also if there's something that I want the students to absolutely memorize, I will create a short audio and I will say, listen to this again and again and again and again until you've got it memorized. And so here's what I'm going to do from my personal financial planning class. So I'm going to get ready to start. Okay, Professor Moylan here. This is the financial planning process. Memorize these 7 steps in the financial planning process. Step number 1, understanding the client's personal and financial circumstances. Number 2, identifying and selecting goals, and so on. I don't have to bore you with all 7 of them, but that's how it works. And then when I'm all done with number 7, monitoring progress and updating, that's it. Memorize those goals, and then I'll stop it, just like that. Okay, so now I've got, my 28-second audio. If you really wanted to get fancy and go in and edit, you could do that. The main thing that I do is if I'm doing an audio and I'm about to stumble on something, I just reach up here and hit pause. And then it just pauses it, and then I figure out exactly what I'm going to say, and then I unpause and keep on going. Now that I am all done with it, I'm going to save it. So I'm going to go up here, and there's, I think this is slightly above my screen capture software, so you're not able to see where I click on File, but I'm going to say File, and now I'm going to export it. File export, and look at all these options. Just let's keep it simple. Let's just export it as an MP3. So export as MP3. Now by default, look, it's all ready to throw it in my 351 audios because that was the last of the audios I was doing. I'll just give it a little title here, 7 steps. I would go more detailed than that, but for our purposes, we'll just leave it there, 7 steps, and hit save. And now it's going to ask me if I want to put all this information in there, artist name, track title. No, 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 no. We don't need any of that jazz. So just hit OK. Boom. It is now done. So if I'm all done with my audio recording, I will click on that. Okay, get rid of the program. Save project before closing. Here's the thing. This is saving it as an Audacity project. In other words, not in the MP3 format, but in the Audacity format in case I wanted to go back in and edit this. I just create these quick audios and then I just use them as is. So I'm never going to go back and edit it. So there's no need to save that, the Audacity program, excuse me, the Audacity file, because I've already saved it as an MP3 file. So no, and away it goes. Now my, where the deuce is that? It's, I can't even remember off the top of my head exactly where that is, so we're not even going to bother with looking for that. But then I just know where that file is. I go get that file, and then I save it to my learning management system in my bucket for whatever class I had created that for. Pretty simple way to create those audios. Now, when we look at learning management systems, I'll show you how to put audios up in your learning management system, whether it's Blackboard or Moodle or Canvas. But that's how we record the audio.